Ready to unlock incredible savings on your next Vrbo getaway? First, ensure you've linked your OneKey Rewards account to your Vrbo account. Head to your account settings within the Vrbo app or website. Look for a section related to loyalty programs or rewards. You should see an option to connect your OneKey account using your email address and password associated with OneKey. Now, let's find those OneKey cash-eligible properties. When searching for rentals, use the filter options. Look for a specific filter labeled OneKey Cash Accepted or something similar. This ensures you only see properties where you can redeem your rewards. It's usually in payment section. On the property listing page, double-check for confirmation that OneKey Cash is accepted. Usually, you'll see it under Payment Accepted section. Finally, during checkout, you'll see the option to apply your OneKey Cash. The available balance is shown and input how many do you want to redeem. Click Redeem or Apply to discount your total price. You will see the adjustment immediately. Remember to maximize your OneKey Cash by earning on other eligible bookings and activities through OneKey partners. You can combine OneKey Cash with other eligible promotions. Enjoy your well-deserved, discounted Vrbo vacation.